Hello everyone, I am Neeraj. Welcome to my channel Master Tech. So in this video we will be doing the unboxing of a very special product, and this is a product which I was talking, and this is the smart LED bulb from Halonix. Halonix Prime. This is the Prism Smart LED which I have ordered from Amazon, which you can see here. And the things which all are mentioned on this is a 12 watt LED bulb, and they have mentioned made in India, and this is made for India. And the thing what they have mentioned is we need to download an app, and there is a Wi-Fi, and this is a dimmable where we can control the brightness of this bulb, and there are millions of colors included in it. So without making any delay, let's do the unboxing of this product. Let us see what all are present in it and how actually this product glows. So without making any delay, let's start this video. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will not be missed with any of the videos which I'll be uploading later. So let us start this video. So this is the product as you can see, and the thing what all are mentioned I have said you in the intro of this video. And as you can see, again the MRP which you can see over here is 2500, and the actual MRP for which I have brought this I'll be discussing at the end of this video, so be tuned till the end of this video. So without making any delay, let's remove the bulb from this box. So there is no packing and there is no Tisco or tape, so we can remove it directly. So as you can see, okay, the packing is so good, so let us keep this aside for now. And other than the bulb, what are the things present inside is, this is an empty box, we don't need this. Let us remove. There are some instructions, let us see. I think everything will be present on this user manual. Yes, this is the user manual. As you can see, there are all the instructions given, the way you need to use the bulb, everything. I don't think so I'll be able to read everything, but definitely I will download the app and I will show you everything what need to be done and how we need to glow this bulb into a beautiful lights. So let us remove this user manual and see the Prism bulb, which looks like this. This is quite heavy as well. Okay, which is looking pretty good. And again, as you can see, there is a 12 watt written over here. Is 12 watt, and there are some other information of this bulb, and this is the made in India product which I liked it. So let us glow this product. So first what I want to do is I will download the app. So I will download. So as you can see, the app name is Halonix app. So as you can see, download Halonix app. I will be downloading from the Play Store. So first, as you can see, Halonix Smart in the bracket Wi-Fi. So I am going to download this, install. As you can see, the app is now downloading. So let it download. So it has been installed, and now I am going to open it. So this is the interface what you see when you download the app. And the thing what you need to do is you need to register first. You need to accept the policies. Then India, you need to enter your mail ID. So I'll be entering my mail ID. Get verification code. So you need to check your mail ID and then enter the code which you have got it, and the code 820960 is the code which I have got, and you need to set the password. So done. Okay, not now. Settings. Okay, you need to give access to all the settings what it asks. So after getting registered, what you need to do is take another mobile on the hotspot from that mobile and now connect the connect Wi-Fi. So I'm going to on the Wi-Fi and I'll be connecting the hotspot which I have on with my another phone. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi has been connected now. Now I'll be opening the app. So this is the app, and now as you can see there is no devices. That means now any device is not connected to it. So now I will be adding a device. So click on add device, then click light source Wi-Fi. So after that, what you need to do is just connect your bulb to an holder. Okay, so it is glowing now. So what you need to do is turn off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. I'm sorry for this, but this is the procedure, and I'm waiting for this. It should glow like this. So it is making a disturbance. So for that reason I'm closing it with a cloth. So now as you can see, confirm, the light is blinking rapidly. As you can see, the light is blinking. Now I will click on this. So now it is showing enter Wi-Fi password. So if it is not entered, just enter the password for which your device is connected. So the Wi-Fi is this Wi-Fi and password. So confirm it, and it is connecting now. So let it get connected. So now as you can see, the bulb stopped glowing. So now it is continuously on, and 16%, 17%. Okay, completed. So as you can see, the device has been added successfully. Click on done. Okay, so this is the interface what you get. So this is the hot, that is warm and cold. You can change it. As you can see, the bulb, it is changing along with this. And this is the dimness what I have said in the intro. You can change the brightness of the bulb, and as you can see, as this is the 100% which I have kept now, and now I'll be making it warmer. So this is how it looks, and now I'm going to change it to much colder. So as you can see, this is the first feature which I'm going to show you. And as you can see here, there is a white, and next come color, then scene and music. Next, coming to the color, you'll be finding many colors where you can change it: green, light blue, dark blue, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, everything. And below that you have a brightness where you can adjust it from 1 to 100%. If 0, then it completely turns off. So it will be from 1 to 100%. So based on your need, you can adjust it. And then it comes the what do you say, like if you keep in a green, and if you keep in 100%, the like you can see it like it is glowing completely green. If you decrease the percentage of this, then it will add white color into a green, and it makes green to a very lighter color. So as you decrease, then the color becomes very lighter, very close towards the white. So if you keep it for 100, then it will be it turns to the color which you have selected over here. Next, after this, let us come to the next option, that is scene. And as you can see, there are some of the options. We can see there is a night mode, and a read, and then working, leisure, soft, color. I guess it will continuously change the color from one to other. So this is color. After color, there is dazzling. So this also does the same thing. And next, coming to gorgeous. So in this, as you can see, it changes the color from one to other, like without making a difference, like slowly it turns from one to other. So this is the difference between these two. And one thing what you need to notice is, like I'll be selecting dazzling, then I will come to an edit. So as you can see, you can add as many colors you want. pink, green, light green, orange, red, everything. How many colors you want, those many you can add it. Then you can see the brightness, you can adjust the brightness as well. Then as I said, this option. And coming to next, there is a color flash mode. Color flash mode is like, coming to the first option, there is a static. Static is nothing but like it is not going to change from one color to other. So this is the option. If you want to make it stick to a color, then you can choose a static. Then coming to a flash, like it suddenly changes from one color to other, so that is the flash option. Next, coming to breathe. Breathe is nothing but like slowly it changes from one color to other, so you will not be able to find a particular point where it is changing. So this is the option, breathe. So now it is flash. Let be this same now, and I'll keep submit, and now you can see it is changing from one to other without giving any gap, or like suddenly it is changing. Now what I will do is I will change from flash to breathe, then submit. Now let us see the difference. So as you can see, it is slowly changing from one to other without like slowly, with like transition, like slowly it is changing from one to other. So this was the difference. And one more thing what you need to notice is color flash speed. Like you can increase the speed of changing color from one to other, this is the option, and you can decrease as well. So let me increase and give submit. So as you can see, it is changing the color very fast. So now I will be making it much slower, submit. So as you can see, it is taking much time to change the color from one to other. Yeah, it is changed now. So these are some of the features you can notice in this scene. Next, after the scene, let us come to a music. So this is one of the very cool feature which I have found in this product, because I did not find this feature in any other products. So let me give an example how does it work. So generally it changes the color based on the sound which it is coming. Like if you play the music, based on the music it changes the color. So I'm going to demonstrate now by changing the sound and by playing a music and remaining complete silent. So now what I will do is I will remain silent and I will be showing you it doesn't changes the color. So let us see. So as you can see, as I clapped, then it started changing its color. So now it is changing because I am speaking, so it is recognizing my sound and it is changing. So this is one of the cool feature, and now I will be playing a music and you can see how it works. So this was one of the cool feature which I have enjoyed more, and you can definitely use this product during the party hours in your house if needed. So coming to the price of this product, I have just brought this product only for rupees 499 from Amazon. So I loved this product much, and just for 499 I have got a 12 watt smart bulb with very cool features. So I really loved it, and this is a worth product, and you can buy this from Amazon if needed, and I will be leaving the link in the description box. You can go check it out. And if I have left any of the feature, then let me know in the comment section below, and I will be using this smart bulb while making my videos as well. So that was the main reason I have brought this and really enjoyed, and I will be definitely using this bulb during my party hours as well. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next video. Till there, take care and bye bye.